Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on Act CRM Classic. Now because Act CRM Classic is cloud-based, there is a time limit. Don't ask me that time limit because I'm not sure the exact number of minutes or time, but eventually if you don't work in Act, it will log you out automatically. So when that happens, or if you find that Act has been disconnected, I want to show you a little shortcut that I've been using just to get me in quicker. It doesn't work all the time, but it works many times. So you'll notice right up top, I'm logged into my Act database, and in the address bar, this is my current web address for this database. So there's a couple things I want you to observe. One, up on the tab, there's a weird name. This is zsample 2022341. That is actually the name of my Act database on the web, in the cloud, in Act CRM Classic. So that's the name of my database, and that's good to know. You might want to write it down just for reference. You'll see that every time you open up Act. Having said that, when I'm logged in, what you can do is this. You have a menu bar. If you don't see the menu bar, Google, how do I see the menu bar in Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer? I'm sorry, not Internet Explorer, Chrome or Firefox. Get that bar there because it's convenient. So you'll notice right up here in the address bar, I'm going to click on this little item right here and drag it down to the menu and let go. And what I've done is I've put a shortcut right here to quickly get back into the Act database. So if it times out on you, click on this item to bring you back. Also, when you log in to Act, you can log in to your account by coming over, clicking on your name over on the right hand side, go to My Account, and in the My Account area, you can log in and send a request to have the timeout changed. So I'm going to click on Support on the left, and here, just in the subject line, type in something like increase my timeout value to the max or to the greatest amount. And I'm not sure exactly what that is, but you can type that in, type in the description, go down to the bottom. You really don't have to fill anything else out. And again, I think you'll see if I just put a couple things in here, now I can hit submit. So you don't even have to fill out the rest of this information, but this is where you can ask the customer service at Act to increase the timeout value. And again, because it's web-based, they're assuming, well, what if you're in a public place and you're logged in? They don't want to keep you logged in 24/7, 365. They will log you out after a certain amount of time. So that's how I deal with it. And again, if you get logged out, just click on this link right here. Many times it takes you right back in without having to sign in. Sometimes if it's been a while, you have to sign in. And if nothing else, this is a shortcut to get into your database. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.